So, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the longest palindrome substring on LeetCode, the question number 5. The problem statement has been given that given a string S, return the longest palindrome substring in S. So, this is the example. I'll give you the link below in the description of the video. So, go and check out. So, I'm going to code it into the JavaScript. Okay, so I'm getting one error. dpi equals I of j true. So j is not defined over here. It should be I. Okay, output has been accepted. Yes. Now I'll explain the problem. So here in the function, it's like it's initialize I'll explain the initialization first. So it's first checks if the input string s is empty, and if it is, it returns an empty string since there are no palindromes in an empty string. And it initializes a 2D array dp of size n by n, where n is the length of the input string. So this array will be used to store whether substrings are palindrome. So after that, the base cases is like it's initialize the diagonal of the dp array or to true, indicating that single character are always palindromes. And after that, it checks for palindromes of length 2. So it iterates through the input string s and checks if consecutive characters are equal. So if they are, it makes them as a palindrome in the dp array and updates the start index and max length. And after that, it will check for palindrome of length greater than 2. So it iterates through all possible length of substring starting from 3 and all possible starting indices. So for each substring length and starting index, it checks if the character at both ends are equal and if the substring between them is also palindrome. That is like using values from the dp arrays, and if the substring is a palindrome, it makes it as a such in the dp array and updates the start index and max length, and at the end it returns the longest palindrome substring. So finally, it's returning the substring of starting from the start index with a length of max length, which represents the longest palindrome substring found. So this algorithm is effectively finds the longest palindromic substring in the given input string s by utilizing dynamic programming to store and reuse solutions to the subproblems.